For class 11 or 12, which board is better, CBSE or ISC? Decision will be your. I am going to give some points to you. First of all, pros of CBSE. English syllabus is not so vast or lengthy, thereby offering you more time for focusing on science subjects. Since many questions are taken from NCERT books, it helps students who are preparing for any of the competitive exams like JEE, NEET, Advanced, or CUET, etc. The school durations are not very long. The CBSE schools are well suited for students taking coaching for JEE, NEET, other competitive exams also. Self-study time is more. NCERT books are crisp and short, which helps the student to cover multiple chapters and revise them easily. Now coming to cons of CBSE. NCERT books does not provide in-depth knowledge, which is very much necessary for JEE Advanced, and many topics are not explained in detail, which could lead to the students not being clear with the concepts. For CBSE board exam, there are three sets of papers, set A, B and C, which will be randomly allotted to the students. If a student gets a difficult and tricky paper, it might ruin his percentage. Since paper allocation is random, the easiness of the paper might depend on your luck also. Now coming to ISC pros. ISC focuses on analytical and critical thinking based questions which are at par with questions from entrance exam, thereby helping its student to score well along with coaching. ISC textbook offer concept in depth along with entrance questions to improve the standard and concept clarity of the students. ISC calculate percentage as English plus best 3 subjects out of total 5, which boosts the student score in board exam जिनका English best है. Although ISC textbooks are lengthy, it provides more details so that concepts can be understood by any student. It also provides multiple questions of different variety which match JEE and NEET questions also. Now, cons of ISC has a vast English syllabus which is easy to student but requires some extra time. 10 to 15 marks of ISC board paper consist of tricky and analytical questions that might be little difficult for students who do not prepare for any competitive exam like JEE and NEET. Generally, ISC schools have a little longer school duration compared to CBSE schools. Now, overall remark is, for NEET aspirants, CBSE is well suited, and for JEE aspirant, both ISC and CBSE is really good. Students can score better in ISC than CBSE in terms of board exam, and the syllabus is almost same in both of them. If any student wish to apply for foreign universities, ISC is the best choice. For exams like SAT, TOEFL, again ISC is the best choice. Thank you for watching till the end.